Hi. Today we will show you how to extract tables containing text from PDF using PDF.co and Integromat. We will use this sample PDF for this demo. To begin, let me show you first how to create the template to extract a multi-page table. Click the Load Test PDF or Image button to open the PDF document that you will use for your template. Next, click on the Add Object button on the upper left corner and select Add Field based on text search. You can rename the object in the name field. Then, add the expression total spaces number to parse the total. Make sure to check the regex box when using any text search objects. Now, let's add another object. Select Add Table from text search. You can rename the object in the name field. In JSON for finding the table or in the Edit Template window, add the start and end expressions as well as necessary rows and columns. Then, set the multipage to true. Here's what the expression looks like. Then run the template to make sure there are no errors. Here's the parse table line items output. Next, click the Save Template and return to get the template ID. Now, let's proceed to the scenario. Search and select the Google Drive app. Under Google Drive, select Download the file. Let's create a connection to Google Drive. In the Enter a File ID field, choose the Select from the list to fill out your file ID. Under the File ID field, choose the folder where your file resides. Let's add another module. Search and select PDF.co so we can call the module to extract table contents. Next, choose the Parse a document module. In the Input File field, select Upload a file. Under the Source File field, select the Google Drive, download the file. Then, enter the template ID. After setting up, let's run the scenario. Great. The test was successful. You can copy and paste the URL to view the output. Here's what the parse table containing text output in JSON format looks like. For more tutorials, you may visit our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.